Taking care of our military moms. Senator Tim Kaine introduced legislation to ensure that military mothers have access to adequate support and resources to combat postpartum depression.
Yeah, such a big issue. This is for service members and military spouses. 10 on your side's Marielena Balouris explains how it would help moms.
Well, Senator Tim Kaine says when he talks to military mothers, he repeatedly hears about challenges they face when it comes to mental health. That's why he wants the Government Accountability Office to study mental health conditions among military moms. The feeling of isolation is something Kimberly Robertson knows well.
I also didn't have my family, I didn't have friends, I didn't have anybody to connect to.
She's been an Air Force spouse for 18 years. Early on, she and her husband moved across the country while she was pregnant. These changes only amplified that feeling of isolation.
Unfortunately, I ended up having postpartum depression, but I didn't know it. I actually didn't even learn for about a good year after I had given birth that I was faced with depression, anxiety.
Her experiences are why she supports the Military Moms Mental Health Assessment Act.
I believe that this bill is so greatly focused on prenatal and postpartum depression and mental health, but I'd love to see more.
Senator Tim Kaine introduced the legislation earlier this month.
We want to do rigorous assessments of the services that people need so that we can start to train and hire and recruit more mental health professionals to deal with their needs. So it's comprehensive assessment and then service provision, all driven by listening to what military spouses and military moms are saying about the challenges that they face.
One group that helped shape the legislation is the Military Family Advisory Network.
We are consistently focused on bringing the experiences of military families to those in decision-making roles.
Shannon Rassidon is hopeful this legislation will help support military moms.
It's a good opportunity to figure out what we can do, what support systems we can put in place to really make life as easy as possible for military families and help them through a pregnancy or those postpartum months really find some assurances and continuity, some care, so that they're connected as early as possible to the support they need.
The Senate Armed Services Committee passed the legislation as part of the National Defense Authorization Act late last week. For more information on the legislation and the Military Family Advisory Network, head over to WAVY.com. I'm Marielena Balouris, 10 on your side.